Steve, Mr. Good Tools, and what I want to do is introduce you to a table saw. So the first thing I'm going to do is get it off the cart here, and I want to let you know it's a Craftsman 10-inch 15 amp. It's the fairly inexpensive model, so I just want to show you how to get this thing up and running. So let's walk through what we're going to be doing here. This is the saw here. This is the stand. The stand is mounted at the back of the saw, as you can see. Come around here. This is where your rip fence is mounted. Come around here. This is where your miter gauge is mounted underneath. I already have the guard put on. You know, if you want to take that guard off when you're doing cross cutting, you can do that. But normally the guard stays on there. There's a little device back here that keeps it from kicking back on you. So that, I don't know if you can see the, yeah. As you can see, this saw has been used for many years. I've had this saw for probably close to 10, 12 years now. First thing you want to do is get the base set up, okay? And we'll go ahead and put our dust collector on it. Kind of like a vacuum cleaner, you know, or a Harley. You know, with the Harley, the dirt bag's on the top, not on the inside. You know that, right? That's why I have a Harley. All right. Okay, let's see here. Yep, we're good. So then we want to lock in all four corners. Okay. One more. And here's our cord. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug the thing in. Okay. Is never operate it without this unless you're going cross cut. Okay? If you're going rip cut, this is how you want it. Also, these will come out at two ends here that'll come out fairly wide. Okay. This one comes out also. So you have lots of room to work. This guy here also pulls out to give you a little support on your workpiece as you're coming out. Oh yeah, and the other thing I was going to say with safety is make sure that you have safety glasses, because these will throw chips all over the place. Make sure you use tools to shove your workpiece through. Don't use your fingers, because your fingers won't put up with running into the blade. Okay, and that's about it. That's the Craftsman 10-inch 15 amp saw. Oh yeah, it gets you can cut 3 inches deep with it at 90 degrees, and you can cut 2.5 inches deep with it at 45 degrees, and that's a good range to work with. Okay, thanks.